Hey, it's our very last day together. And it's a little bittersweet because we're coming to the end, and that's exciting because we're going to be done with this paper on our Michigan essay. But we've also had some good times together coming up with ideas and being able to learn from each other and have a new teacher for some of you. And I just want to celebrate the fact that you have all worked very hard, and no matter what happens, um, myself and your teachers are very proud of you. Today is the day we get to publish. Publishing means we get to make everything look, sound nice, and we get to turn it in. And so we're going to do that using Google Classroom. Now, I do want to say that publishing sometimes does occur on a blank sheet of paper with lines, and sometimes we color and decorate it and make it look nice. And we've done that a few times this year. But this time around, we want you to type. So I want you to take a look at my screen right here. Do you notice that I am in Google Classroom? And this is kind of what your screen will look like. You might not have these dates, I don't know. But you will find a document that says Writing Michigan Essay Publishing. You are going to click on that. And when you do, you can see I'm in my daughter's classroom. You're going to click on the document there, and you will come to what will be a blank sheet. The first thing you're going to do up here is it will say your name and then Untitled, and you need to write in your title. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to put in your title. So let's pretend my title wasn't there. I would have my cursor over here, and I would write Michigan is the best. And I would make sure my important words in the title were capitalized. Then I would highlight that, and I would hover my cursor over here. And you see how it says center align? Well, I am going to push that. And when I do that, it makes all of this in the middle of my paper. Now down here, I don't want to center align. When I started typing this, it looked like this. And I needed to push the tab key to indent, because remember, I had that on my introduction paper as a reminder to myself that I had to make sure I indented my paragraphs. Now, let's say you get to typing like I have and you get a red underlined word. That is a spelling error. If I left click, it already tells me suggestions for spelling, and that is how you spell Arizona. So I'm going to take it. If there are no suggestions and you can't click on it that way, you can go into Tools, Spelling Grammar, and do a spell check there, and it will come over here with some suggested words. The next thing I want to teach you how to do in publishing is to double space. So when you're done with your document, again, you're going to highlight. And to highlight, you are going to left click and you are going to drag your cursor over the words. Then you are going to come over here to this up and down arrow, and it says line spacing. You're going to left click there and you're going to push double. That is going to allow you to double space your entire paper. Now, when you're done, you get to turn it into your teacher. Just like you would physically hand your paper into your teacher, this time around, you're going to hand it in remotely. So you're going to push turn in, and your teacher is going to get your classwork. Now it says it's not found, but it will be found. So that's it. Once you're done writing all 4 paragraphs and having all of your writing together, you get to turn it in and you are done. So go have fun publishing your final draft.